back to another episode of Cocktails for Quarantines. Today we're going to make the Reverse Manhattan. Reverse Manhattan is like a traditional Manhattan that simply flip-flop the ratios. And so instead of 2-to-1 whiskey to sweet vermouth, we're going to go 2-to-1 sweet vermouth to whiskey. So for that, we'll want a whiskey that is a little stronger, has some maybe spicier notes that is going to cut through the sweet vermouth. So today we're going to use a Rittenhouse bottled in bond 100 proof rye. It's not the harshest rye you can find, but it does have some power to it, and it'll be great for this today. So Rittenhouse rye, our sweet vermouth is the Antica formula, very lovely sweet vermouth. Keep that in the refrigerator. And then bitters, we'll be using Peyschaud and Angostura. So let's get this going. We're going to mix in glass, and as I said, we'll start with 1 ounce of the rye whiskey. All right, and then we'll do 2 ounces of our sweet vermouth. Oh, it smells fantastic. All right, and then 1 dash each of the Angostura and the Peyschaud. And then for a little extra flavor, we're gonna do 1/2 bar spoon of the syrup from the Luxardo cherries. We'll keep that open for our garnish. All right, fill this with ice. And then we'll stir for about 20 seconds. When you're stirring, try to keep the back of the bar spoon on the outside of the inside of the glass, if that makes any sense. Don't jostle the ice around. That'll create bubbles. You want to maintain a smooth, velvety texture. We're just mixing the ingredients and creating and cooling all the ingredients in here. All right. Here's our pre-chilled coupe glass. We're going to put 1 cherry in the bottom. Fantastic. And then strain. Less bubbles will be good, Beach. All right, and then a nice orange peel garnish. Clean this up, make it look pretty. The orange oil is on the outside of the glass here. So when you drink it, you get all those nice aromas. Here we go. There is your Reverse Manhattan, and thanks for joining us on Cocktails for Quarantines. We'll see you next time.
Cocktails for Quarantines.